What's up guys, JP the install guy here with a 2008 Dodge Dakota, and we're going to show you how to take this radio out. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. This is what we do. Anything car audio install related is what the channel is about. From time to time I like to share my car audio knowledge, so whether you're beginner or advanced, this channel just might be for you. So we're going to go ahead and start down here because this front panel is the only thing that has to come off. So we're going to do that. Pop that clip, pop that one right there. Should be able to stick your hand back on that part. And then we're going to come on this side. Now, of course, you can use your panel removal tool, but in this case, it's just about as simple as it gets. Now, we're going to have 4 7mm bolt, or you can use a Phillips head screw. I like to use the socket, so that way I don't strip anything. And now that we have those screws out, this part right here just slides right on out. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the harness and the antenna, and as you can see, we have that factory radio out. Now let's go over here to our bench and get the dash kit ready to receive that radio, get everything wired up, and we could be back inside the car. So we're here on the test bench. I got the radio here, dash kit. We'll have all the product links in the description. This right here is going to be pretty simple. You just want to take the radio and take the one that goes on the right side, slide it right there. We're going to take 2 screws that came with the dick screws that came with the radio, put 2 on this side, 2 on the other side, and it's going to give us that flush look just like that. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like when you have both brackets on each side, just 2 screws on the left, 2 screws on the right. Now we're back inside the car and we have everything wired up. Now here at the channel, we don't go over wiring harness anymore because the wiring is pretty much the same every single time. Reason being is that every car that you're going to work on is going to come with some form of wire harness, and the wire harness's job is to convert your factory wire colors to the aftermarket wire colors. And as long as you know what these are, then you'll know how to wire up every single CD player that you install, because the wiring is going to be the exact same in order for it to be CEA compliant. Now for those who don't know how to wire up a CD player or don't know what these wires are, I didn't forget about you guys. I made one video showing you how to wire up a CD player where I go over all these wire colors. So I'll talk about connections and how to clean it up and all that type of stuff as well. Now if you bought this car used, or if you've already cut your factory harness, then you need a wire diagram, and I usually give that information to all of my Patreons. Those guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel. I go the extra mile supporting them by giving them wire color diagrams, behind the scenes footage, and that's the platform that I'm using to get all of my one-on-one type help. So let's go ahead and get this thing put inside the little dash cavity right there so you can see what it look like. Alright guys, look what it looks like when it's all said and done. Looking real nice and neat. If you guys find any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. Product links in the description, Patreon link in the description. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out. Hoping everybody has a blessed day.